Hello guys, this is Siva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys another powerful indicator strategy that you can use to grow your small account. Alright, so this is a boom and crash strategy. Alright, so without wasting much of your time, I'm just going to go ahead and show you how the strategy works and the conditions you need in order to execute your trade. Alright, so here is what you need to know. Firstly, you are going to allow the red and the blue indicator to get to the overbought level, right? This is boom 1000, so we are going to be buying, right? So you need to first of all allow price to get to the oversold level, right? Now you are to take note of this red candle, this red moving average here, alright? Whenever you see that the red moving average is on the 15 level, right, it's on the oversold level, the oversold level, right? Now that is the first condition. Now the second condition is that you need to wait for a spike, right? You need to wait for a spike to happen. So whenever there is a spike and you see that the spike have break through the blue line, alright, that is showing you that price has break through the resistance line, alright, that is what the indicator is trying to show you there. And here also on the main chart, you confirm that yes, the price, the candlestick broke above the red moving average, alright, the red 35 moving average, right? That is when you are to take your entry, right? Immediately it broke above it, you are to enter aggressively and buy from that candlestick, right? Then your stop loss is going to be below that candlestick. As you can see here on the chart now, you see how it spiked up, right? So that is how simple the strategy is, right? Let me repeat it again. You have to wait for price, which is the first condition. You have to wait for the red moving average to get to the 15 level. The next thing is to wait for a spike, which is the second condition, and you have to see that the red is above the blue. And here on the main chart, you have to see that price is above the red moving average, right? That is when you have to take your entry and you have to hold, right? You have to hold till this moving average, the red moving average, right, get to the 85 level, right? So if it's not touching the 85 level, you have to keep holding, right? There are some instances where it will reverse and not touch the 85 level. As you all know, no strategy is 100%, alright, but most of the time it will touch the 85 level, right? So here in this case now, it touched the 85 level, and let me show you another example.
So this one now, you can see that immediately it got to the oversold level, which is the 15 level. There was a spike, right? And here on the main chart also, there was a spike, and the spike broke above the 35, right? So you can see as it broke above the 35, that is when you are to enter, stop loss below this, and then you have to hold till it get to the overbought level, which is the 85 on the indicator window. So you can see how this one went well, right? So this is how simple the strategy is, all right? So this is how simple the strategy is, guys. So now I will just share with you guys the setting, all right? I'll share with you the setup of the strategy, right? The first indicator here is the moving average. Click on it, and these are the parameters, right? So you have to copy and make sure you do it the same way you are seeing it on your screen now. Alright, so after that you have to click on done. So here the second indicator is the moving average, right? It's still a moving average, right? And these are the parameters. The only difference here is just the 35, right? And the previous, right? And the previous indicators data, right? Everything should be same as you are seeing it here, right? And after that you click on done. Then on the indicator window we have the stochastic oscillator, right? You have to search the stochastic, you have to first of all add the stochastic oscillator, right? And these are the parameters. So you make sure you set everything same way you are seeing it here on the screen, right? And these are the levels. We have the 15 and the 85, right? Then after that you click on done. Then the next indicator here is the moving average, right? Moving average, and these are the parameters, right? Make sure you do everything same way you are seeing it, right? After that you click on done. Here the last indicator here is still a moving average, right? The period is 20, shift 0, method exponential, apply to previous indicators, right? So make sure you do everything you are seeing it here. After that you click on done. So that is pretty much everything for this one. Alright, see you guys in the next video. See you out.